What up, guys? So what up, guys? So we're pretty much fucked. We tried fixing the cover gasket. We thought, wait, what the fuck? Alright, we tried fixing the cover gasket. We tried fixing the cylinder head. It's fucked. And I'll let you guys listen to that. Kind of scared right now, actually. This shit might blow up in my face. Yeah, so you guys can obviously hear that rod knocking in there, so we're gonna look into a new engine. Just right now, we don't really have money for that. If we wanted the same D16Y8, it'd be about like $400. But we want something faster, something that's actually VTEC, so we're looking into a B16. So yeah, we're just pretty much stuck right now, so we're trying to get a new engine. So that's pretty much it, guys. So yeah, we're just give us like 2 weeks or something, and maybe a week, and I'm sure we'll have the new engine, and then we'll do a video on the taking out the engine and putting the new engine in, and that should be fun. Hey, what the fuck? Hey, bro, what you doing? So yeah, I hate to ask, but if you guys really want to help us, we'll have a link in the description, and you guys can just make small donations. Anything will help. We just really want to make this into a project car, and we really can't do anything without the engine. So yeah. Oh, we got some springs from our good buddy Joseph. We still need to put those in, so that could be a video. Hey, bro, what you doing?
Trying to fix it.
What are you trying to fix?
This shit right here, bro.
Shit's pretty fucked up.
Good now. Oh shit. What is that? What the fuck? Yo, what is this?
I don't know, man.
Why is there sand in it?
You hear that? Hey, where'd you get those glasses?
Target?
Anything else you want to add?
No.